Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Besancon, and this is your Pet Tip of the Month. Today we're going to be talking about Thanksgiving. With Thanksgiving, there's a lot of family gatherings, just gatherings in general, a lot of food, a lot of happy times. And so with that, we just need to make sure that your pets are taken care of and don't get into things that they're not supposed to. Starting with, if you're going to have gatherings, a lot of dogs and cats for that matter, do not like to be around many people and can get very stressed, anxious, and can cause them to become very uncomfortable around a lot of people. And if that's the case and you know that about your pet, make sure that you put them in a back room, maybe put some soft music on so that these guys do not become as stressed, and keep them as calm as possible. Many of them may run or try to bite people, little kids if they're running around. And so just to be on the safe side, you may want to put them in a back room so that they are not scared and do not harm anybody, or kids harm them. So that's one thing that you definitely want to think about whenever you have multiple people at your house having a dinner. Another thing to think about is decorations. If you're going to place fall decorations in or outside the house, make sure that they are out of your pet's reach. Make sure that there's nothing that is dangling or balls and stuff like that they can chew on, swallow, and then have to be surgically removed by a veterinarian. Many decorations do contain strings and things like that, and you just have to be careful, especially with cats, so that they don't swallow a string. They can cause some problems with their intestines where they have to be surgically removed. So just be careful with your decorations. Make sure that they're safe for pets as well as for all the little kids running around. Make sure they don't get into them as well and have a kid feed one of your pets something that they shouldn't. Food's the big thing. With food, in general, food should not be fed to any of your pets. From turkey all the way down to the desserts. There's different things that can happen with food. Turkey bones especially. Do not want bones to be fed to your dog or cat. The bones will shatter. It can cause some problems inside the GI tract, get stuck in their throat or intestines or different things like that. So you want to make sure that you do not allow access to food in general, especially turkey bones. Mashed potatoes, different things like that, have a lot of butter, anything with a lot of grease in them. Be careful, can cause a lot of stomach upset, and in return, diarrhea and vomiting can happen with your pets. Pancreatitis is another thing that can be caused from a high fatty meal that dogs or cats are not normally used to. It can make your pets pretty sick, where they need definitely emergency care. And so really watch the food, not only whenever you're eating, but also whenever you throw it away into the bags. Make sure that those bags are taken outside and put into a proper container to where even stray cats or any animals that are outside in the yard cannot get into those bags and eat that stuff. Aluminum foil, things like that you wrap the food in after you've eaten it and are saving it as leftovers or are thrown away. That's another thing that just foreign objects in general. Just want to keep an open mind, knowing that your pets are there so that they're not in danger. Other than that, have a safe holidays, and with all these safety tips, hopefully everybody will have a good holiday, even your pets. Thanks.